In this video, we'll show you how to apply for a delivery driver account in the UK with Deliveroo. So first of all, you need to go to the Google and write the simple keyword in the Google search. So when you see the search results, you need to open ridersdelivery.com right here. And this is their official website, and from this page you can apply for a driver account. So you need to click apply now button right here, and when you click on apply you will be redirected to this page, and this is the guide how to become a rider in Deliveroo. So you need to click start application in the bottom. First of all, you need to select the city where you want to work, for example Blackpool, then click next, and you need to enter your personal details. You need to enter your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and you need to choose the type of your transport. You can choose bicycle, electric bicycle, scooter, or car. After you will choose your transport, you need to click on the next button, and after that you need to provide the documentation. In most cases you will be asked to upload your ID or passport, the proof that you have got legal rights to work in UK. Also, if you're planning to use the car, you need to upload your driver license. Also, you might be asked to upload the insurance. And also you need to provide your bank account where you will get the payments. So follow the prompts, and the last thing you can do is wait for their confirmation. You will get the notification on your email address. So that's how you can become a driver in Deliveroo. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.